It's 6 p.m. Friday afternoon, and today I'm gonna show you the area of Beach Walk Mall in Kuta, probably the best mall in full entire Bali island. Well, definitely maybe not the biggest and the best mall in Indonesia, but in Bali, in my opinion, is the best one. If you need to do something, service something or buy something, definitely this is the place for you. Also, Bali Mall Galleria in Kuta is also nice. However, today we're gonna focus on this place. And meanwhile, this is the overall situation in Kuta next to the mall. I saw it busier. It's Friday afternoon, 6 p.m. I was expecting it's gonna be a little bit busier, but school holidays, still in Europe are still, in other parts of the world are finished. So the situation in Kuta is like this today. Also, the weather is not the best today. All day is actually cloudy. It wasn't sunny at all. So when the weather is not so good, what is the best to do? Going to the mall. Also, the malls are pretty good in tropical countries like this one because there is the aircon and everything is under the aircon in the shed. So why not? To get to the mall, you need to be fully vaccinated and stuff like this, and there is so much queue because the manual checking with the security is not so automatic like in other Asian countries, especially when I'm traveling right now. Everything is so smooth. Here is actually quite long to get inside. However, if you are fully, shouldn't be a problem. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. There's so many shops around and so many mascots. Where is Minion? All the brands, all the shops are here. Also, not so many people in the mall, but also I heard my friend Phil from Jakarta told me as you have to be triple vaccinated, like a booster to enter to the mall. However, that is in Jakarta. I'm not sure how is it in the mall. I'm triple, so I cannot see any difference, right? They have even so many koi fish in the mall, actually very beautiful. And the mall looks like this one. There is one of the most beautiful shops, which is the candy shop. However, I'm consuming too much sugar nowadays, so I'm banned from the shop. No, I'm just kidding. But if you're looking for imported sweets, you can find over here. And also, well, it's more like a mall, right? But many brands around, and so many options to spend money in Bali in case if you're interested. Now they even have an espresso machine, coffee machine, the fossil shop, MAC, cosmetics, makeup, the Foot Locker, that is the sneaker shop. You can buy original Jordans in case if you are looking for stuff like this. Digimap or Digimap with the original Apple products. Official resellers, because there is no Apple shop in Bali in Indonesia. However, official resellers, so original stuff is here, that's for sure. And it's Sephora and some nice decorations. There is the entrance to the new wing of the mall, because Beach Walk currently have a brand new wing. They opened like a few months ago. And there is so many shops like Marks and Spencer and many others. I'm gonna show you a little bit around the new wing. And here is the Pikachu today. Always happy to see these mascots. And actually malls today, they are more quiet than I was here last time when there was still borders were closed. Actually it is really very quiet in the malls right now. It's Friday afternoon, 6:15 at Friday. That's unbelievable quiet, guys. That's probably because of its booster required. I'm not sure, but I think so, because how to explain why it's so quiet? Many shops everywhere around, like in the mall, of course. What do you expect? However, there is the park. Beach Walk and malls in Bali, they are characteristic. They have open air parks. There are some food and drink options, and there are two new hotels. One is the Aloft by Marriott, which is actually a pretty nice option in Kuta center, and the other one is some budget hotel, which is Yellow or something like this. The name is over there. So basically, so many options in the mall, in the Beach Walk. You can find everything for yourself. There is not so many like a fancy brands, like a Louis V or something, but if you need the new phone, like a Samsung or iPhone or new laptop, you can find this. There is like a delivery shops like Swarovski, or the many options with the clothes. You have to make sure this is the Bali island. It's not like a capital city like Jakarta or any other big city in Southeast Asia. However, the mall is pretty alright. I also vlog here for so many times, so for many of you guys who watching me regularly, maybe this video is boring, but for everyone new or someone who missing the malls, is definitely very interesting. Also, I'm very surprised this is so quiet, even during the lockdowns. I mean, when the malls were open, but there was in general very quiet in Bali. In mall was busier than it's today. And well, I don't know, because I have like already booster. I took it long time ago, as you know that I let you know. So I didn't notice any difference, but maybe like the field set in Jakarta, maybe that's why it's like that, as you really have to have a booster to come inside, and not many people have it, because malls is very deserted actually. There is also Rooftop Park, if I can name it like this one. Actually, if you are coming after sunset, it's very nice view over here, but not so many people so far, that's for sure. Fun fact is, as this one what you see is the Sheraton Hotel in Kuta, which is exactly over there. There is like a nice rooms, and over here is already the mall and people walking, passing by. That's very interesting fact. It's like connected, I could say. Meanwhile, actually, you know, the panorama of the mall looks really nice over here, very cozy, and it's not so many people. Also, the time for filming this is perfect, like just after the sunset, like 20 minutes. Yeah, it's pretty enjoyable place. If you are bored with the beach or something, you can always come and have a look into the mall. This one is actually very nice decoration. I think should be lightened, but overall it's also very nice. There's so many also nice restaurants deep inside. This mall have no McDonald's inside. They have an ice cream box, but there is the Burger King. However, I would like to say a few words about the cinemas in these malls. Especially the 21 cinemas are really nice and highly recommended if you have a time to try it. Also, this restaurant is pretty nice, but overall corridors in the mall actually, wow, really not so much is happening. I'm surprised this is so deserted. I mean, well, it's something really must happen. I cannot believe why it's like that. But even in this part of the mall, on the ground floor, there is so many shops, not much is happening. But at least you can find so many selections of so many shops around. Like I said, many options to spend money in the mall in Bali. Also over here is pretty nice restaurant in the mall. Yeah. How's the situation? There are some guests inside, however. So let's see what is outside little bit. This is like a pizza and beer. Well, also not that much. That's the Zara situation. This one here. And here, of course, there will be the Starbucks somewhere. But, well, looks like this one. Not that much. Even if the Starbucks is pretty quiet, pretty empty, that's how it is. That means something, guys, seriously. Like, oh guys, I hope so somebody of you still watching me till very end of today's video. Tomorrow is weekend, we're gonna go with Winnie Summer, show you something, maybe some nature or maybe something different, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Meanwhile, they're gonna play some live band situation in the mall today. Is it how it is? You can know, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about that? Meanwhile, I will go home, have a dinner with wife. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care.